Hello guys, look at the question. An alloy P contains 20% copper, 80% zinc. Alloy Q contains 60% copper and 80% zinc. A third alloy R has to be prepared from mixing P and Q that contains equal amount of copper. So just write what have been given. So alloy P contains copper and zinc 60%, 20%, 80%. Alloy Q contains copper and zinc 60% and 40% respectively. We have to prepare alloy R by mixing both P and Q, which contains equal amount of copper and zinc. That has to be 50-50% copper and zinc. Okay, so just put alligation method. So what things you want to get, just put into the center, because we have to get copper 50% or zinc 50%, just put in the center. Okay, so either you can take copper or you can take zinc from alloy P and Q. In my case, I am taking copper from alloy P and Q. Here copper given 20% from alloy P and 60% copper from alloy Q. Okay, so reduce 20 from 50, you will get 30, and reduce 50 from 60, you will get 10. So you will get 1:3 ratio. Answer has to be A. But in case if you want to take zinc, from alloy P and Q, so take zinc. So zinc here it is given 80% and from alloy Q zinc is being given 40%. Reduce 50 from 80, you will get 30, and 40 from 50, you will get 10. So same amount of mixture you will get by mixing both P and Q. It means 50-50%. So R has to be 1:3 and answer has to be 1 and 3.